Good morning, everybody. It is 5/6/2025. Mm, um, mm. so let's see what the fuck is going on. Yeah, okay. Uh, Daily, here we go. We are, I think we're bullish, bearish. Yeah, maybe until this daily low. I'm not even gonna mark out this daily low. Bam. Uh, Bam. There's like no wick on that. Bam, bam, bam. Scaling in a little bit. We have these 4-hour lows inside of that for value gap. And then we have the weekly down there. This is the only type, this is the really only low that I really would want to short to. So scaling in a little bit more, we have this hourly gap. And I was looking at this morning. Time was just like 5, 6. Yeah, I was looking at this. And it was looking actually really nice. So we came up, bam, into the 1 hour. It came back down a little bit, re-swept out this short-term high, bam. We got a CISD here, bam. We got a 5-minute fair value gap, bam. You could have entered in a couple places depending upon your strategy. On this 5-minute inverse, wow, that stops only 20 points. We are moving lower, and I am bearish, so we just gotta deal with this one. Do we disrespect? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, price action before 9:30 has been pretty nice. And I'm thinking about like if I see something on the chart, um, at like, a time I don't normally trade, like 7, 8, whatever, like earlier in the morning, I'm gonna take that trade. Like I was gonna take a short out of this hourly gap, and if I did, it would have worked out pretty nice. Anyway, so my bias is bearish up until these daily lows. Going into New York Open, we're probably, let's mark out the session highs and shit. We could save Asia high, but we'll mark out London highs and oh wait, Asia and London kind of just went down. Okay. So going into New York Open, I am bearish up until these daily lows. So we'll see what happens. I do want to see this. Fine. Where's price at? Delete all these drawings. I do actually want to. I do want to. Do want to mark out these lows here. It looks like we're a lot closer on Top Step. That's not the same lows. It is actually. Actually, it's that one, but I'll keep it. Okay, we look pretty close to it. Um. All right, Chad. So, why this is bearish? I think we're gonna. Okay, I think we're gonna go down. At least until that daily low. I don't know if we're gonna go much lower than this. Once we sweep out this low, we could look for longs. I'm not gonna lie. Let's just check news really quick. We have nothing. Tomorrow, though, is FOMC, federal funds rate, and the and press all pretty heavily in. So today and tomorrow morning might be pretty funky. So we'll see. So I'm gonna see you guys closer to New York Open. I'm not really gonna take any shorts right now. I would have, wanted to short over here. I feel like down here is not the best area to short. We actually have an SMT, bam bam, which is not that good. So anyway, I'm gonna see you guys later. Dad, I'm kind of pissed. I took this trade. What the fucking? Why does it look like that? I took this trade on the combine, cool of 1500 pretty easily. SMT at the daily low and here. So we have a double SMT. We had this nice inverse, and we had this fair value gap get barely tapped, and then we had this one get barely tapped. I was hoping for a little bit, kind of a better. I mean, on the Express account, I just entered right away at the inverse. But I was looking for a little bit of a better tap, and I was really hoping price would come down, really kind of wick into this, and I could enter long here with stops like this. But I mean, it's delivering really nicely, and it's kind of like as expected, but it's leaving me behind because I didn't fucking take it on my express. I was hesitating, I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous. But hey, listen, we're gonna have this 5 minute. We could look for a long out of this 5 minute. That's what I'm looking for right now. This 5 minute closes in a minute and a half. So if we can inverse this, come back down and tap the 5 minute, I'm entering long on my express account. That is the goal. It's also in line with a 1 minute OB. So if we don't inverse the five, I'm probably still gonna enter as long as we have 1 minute, structure um supporting this idea. So that's the thing. Took a little dub on the express account or on the combine pretty easily. But if we come down and get this 5 minute fair value gap, I will enter. So I'll see you guys then. But so I did take this long. We took out that daily low that I wanted. We had two SMTs, one with the daily low, and also here where NQ took out the short-term low and ES didn't. So this is honestly like a light bulb, like beautiful, like holy fucking shit, let's go. So if we get this, we might get a little bearish gap here. If price can push down more, tap this 5 minute fair value gap and then get a 1 minute inverse, I will enter. Um, and I think a good target will be, these highs up here, this whole that area, and then maybe here. So wait, this area, kind of don't mind doing this area, they're all nice highs. So those are all highs, and then this is London or Asian high or London high, so we can hold until there. So that's the goal. We'll see if it happens. I'll come back in a little bit and we'll see. I'm, I want to fucking scream because this is such a beautiful trade. No drawdown. Um, fucking currently up 120 points. I mean, I did take it. Can I show executions? I don't see executions. Isn't there a way to do it? I've seen people don't do it. Executions. I don't see shit on executions. Damn. Anyway, like I did take it, so I'm not like I mean I am mad. Oh, I'm fucking mad. Plan B, this might be a breakaway gap, so if we come up and tap this 5 minute fair value gap, this will be important. If we hold this fair value gap, these highs are a pretty good bet because this fair value gap formed after sweeping out these highs. So it'll be pretty important to see if price wants to come back down, tap it, and then go up. But so I mean, we'll see. As we go higher and higher, I am leaning. Oh, this is a little hourly gap though. I see that. This is a little hourly fair value gap. Damn. Fuck, really. And it's a pretty big one on ES. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. This might be an area that people are going to be short in. Honestly, probably not. Actually, I don't know. I'm upset. I am fucking upset. I have a lot of FOMO too because I know for a fact that a lot of people took that trade. I know for an absolute fact. Like people took it on their express accounts and shit and made money. I just know people did. Like this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm pissed off. All right, chat. So the next time you guys see me, it's gonna be when I take a trade on my express account today. Let's go here and get rid of the balance because it's gonna fuck me up. All of these three accounts are at different balances by like a couple $100. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back when I actually do get take a trade on my express accounts. So we'll see what happens. But going into the rest of the day, we honestly might be pretty. This is a little 4 hour gap. I can honestly see us selling quite a bit. Well, I'm gonna see how price reacts out of this 5 minute. I'm gonna see you guys when I actually take a trade. All right, everybody, just a real quick recap. I didn't take any other trades on my Express account. I didn't take any trades on my Express account, and I just took this long on the combine. I am beyond mad at myself for not taking it in the Express account. I just didn't based upon pure emotions and fear. I mean, this is like an A plus 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 setup. So if I'm not gonna take this on the Express account, I don't know why I'm not taking it. And you know, the only reason why I really didn't or why I hesitated was because this candle right here had no wick. There was absolutely no um on this 1 minute candle. It was just straight buying pressure. And looking back, this just tells me that we're extremely bullish right here. So if anything, it helps out the trade. Like I'm beyond pissed at myself. So I didn't take anything else in my express account. Probably not. I'm looking for longs up until the this area, but I mean, like if I was gonna enter, I should have entered here, about 15 points, up or down, I should say. But I would be break even, and this might even be a break even stop and see if it happens live. Let's just say my entries there. Um, so yeah, didn't take anything. I'm very pissed off. I don't know why, but I'm not trading on my Express account, and I don't know why. It's actually kind of pissing me off. I don't know. I just gotta get over the fear. Still up. This account's at 52,000. So probably tomorrow we'll be able to pass it. Just gonna mark out this S&T and then I'm gonna delete a little bit of drawings. We could be looking to target these the rest of the year, or going into the rest of the week. But we do have that weekly. Actually, what was I looking? Was it daily? We actually disrespected that daily gap yesterday. Very back within it. Sorry, I'm just kind of analyzing price. Um, like look at this hourly candle. I didn't know. Were you stopped out? Yeah, you were stopped out. So I'm getting off the chart before I end up taking a stupid trade. But just looking back at it, sideways, like I was looking for a trade here. It was sideways, so I left and I came back. We tapped the hourly gap, and then we just ran up, took out London High. We just came right back down, kind of. And then this is just kind of choppy, choppy, choppy. Yeah, but you could have taken trades there. You could have taken a short here. That wasn't bad. Um, I don't know. I'll see you guys talking tomorrow. Tomorrow's FOMC. Oh my God, we got such a beautiful trade before FOMC. On FOMC day tomorrow, we're probably gonna get complete shit price action. Oh, I'm mad. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.